everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning as any flurries or very light snow clears out this morning. Eventually the clouds will follow suit. Lots of sunshine for a good chunk of the day. Today the wind's relatively light. Not a big wind out there today. We've got high pressure basically situated right about here. You can see the slow moving clockwise rotation right there. Well, weird little counterclockwise area there, but that's not, maybe a little tight area of low pressure. Nothing significant though. Increasing clouds tonight from the southwest. Those will then clear out tomorrow morning, but then the focus turns to the north tomorrow. Cold front right here to start off the day. So it is going to be colder in northern Nebraska to start the day. It sinks south into the area tomorrow, so northern areas are going to be colder tomorrow. Southern areas still not too bad. That front's going to end the day somewhere in here. A couple of clouds, but otherwise mostly sunny skies. And that front kind of stays stalled out there. We actually see colder air in the north compared to the south Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We'll see an increase in cloud cover from the southeast. Rain showers in southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas. Maybe some claps of thunder within some of that those areas right in there where there's just a little bit of a little bit more moisture and a little bit of unsettled weather. Nothing severe or anything like that though. But then right in here is where I'm concerned early on Thursday morning for some drizzle and possibly freezing drizzle with it being cold enough here. Eventually this moisture is going to lift northward and we will see chances of moisture, some rain, snow, freezing rain or freezing drizzle depending on where you live. Going to look at a couple of long range models here. So here's the European forecast model. This is right away this morning. Let's jump ahead to Thursday. So again, let's go early Thursday morning right here. There's that moisture, and just notice the very fine line. Rain to the southeast, snow to the northwest, and maybe a little freezing rain or freezing drizzle in between depending on that temperature profile. That's at least according to the European model. This is Thursday afternoon right here at 4 o'clock. This will then lift off to the northeast late in the day Thursday into Thursday night. And when we're done Friday, Saturday, most of Sunday quiet. Then we have another system that actually comes in here Sunday night into Monday, and this one is a little more interesting because it could be more rain than anything. And there's going to be more wind with this system, by the way, early next week. But this one keeps the bulk of the snow to the north and west, at least initially. And maybe a little more snow with it on the backside of it eventually here. So this could be a good moisture maker if it plays out this way. That said, this is a week away yet. This is not a certainty by any means, but it certainly does draw interest at least. We'll be looking at it with interest as it gets closer to see how it exactly plays out. Now let's check out the GFS forecast model. Let's take you to Thursday. There's that moisture. I'm going to back it up a little bit here. That's Thursday morning. There's the rain, the snow to the northwest, and right between the freezing rain or freezing drizzle. That's a bit of a concern here. So again, Tri-Cities area is probably right in the middle ground where it could be liquid or frozen. Better chances of a little more frozen precipitation to the north and west. I think our highest accumulating snow would be in north central to northeast Nebraska with this system, right there, as we get towards Thursday evening especially, and then this will lift out of here. Then we're quiet Friday, Saturday, most of Sunday, and then there's that next moisture maker there Sunday night into Monday. Rain initially, maybe getting a little bit of a dry slot there for a time, but then on the backside of that system, maybe a little snow. Northwest areas, western and northern areas have the best chance of accumulating snow. So they're somewhat similar, the forecast models are for that one. I am going to show you one other forecast model. The North American model only goes out 84 hours, so it's only going to cover this first storm system. So you can see this will get us to Thursday morning there. Let's back this up just a bit here. And again, rain to the southeast, maybe some thunder, snow to the northwest, and right in between, that's where that freezing rain, freezing drizzle is. And then that lifts out of here Thursday night. So still a little bit up in the air. I think the biggest concerns would be, again, some of that frozen precipitation, maybe some accumulating snow. I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4 inches or so in these areas here. I'd say maybe up to an inch of snow in the Tri-Cities area, but also watching for some of that freezing rain / freezing drizzle right in here. And then mostly liquid precipitation off to the southeast. And that's with the first storm system. The second one, we're not going to deal into too many of the details of that right now. Well, let's wrap things up. First off, let's look at the temperatures for the next couple of days. 40s to lower 50s for afternoon high temperatures tonight. We'll drop back to the teens and 20s. Coldest up north because of that cold front coming in early tomorrow morning. And it will be a chillier day tomorrow up north in the 30s. 40s still to the south, even a few lower 50s. Tomorrow night, still that front kind of in the area. So you have teens up north, 30s in the southeast, and 20s right in between. And highs on Thursday. Most of us getting back to near and above freezing. This is why there could be more of a mix of precipitation and not just freezing drizzle, freezing rain, or snow. But again, where it's coldest, that's where it's more likely that there could be some accumulating snow in here, and also maybe that freezing drizzle doesn't completely melt off. We'll see. Better chances of rain to the southeast. All right, let's sum things up as we look at the long-range forecast here, the 7-day forecast. A couple of nice days for the Tri-Cities anyway. Again, tomorrow up north, a little colder. And then here comes that wintry mess Thursday. Could be a little bit dicey, especially during the morning hours in the Tri-Cities area. Things will clear out Thursday night. Friday, Saturday, most of Sunday look quiet. Not too bad temperature-wise in the 40s. Winds do pick up with the approach of that next system there Sunday night into Monday. And again, that one could be more rain initially, but then eventually changing over to snow. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I hope it's a good one for you. I will see you all again on Wednesday with all the latest. Take care and God bless. Bye.